dogs playing in the sun. One ran off to have some fun. And then there were four. Four little dogs digging by a tree. One found a bone that made it three. And then there were three. Three little dogs chasing something blue. One ran home, then there were two. And then there were two. Two little dogs barking at a bun. One fell asleep, then there was one. And then there was one. One little dog wagging his tail, waiting for friends to tell the tale. They're back for more. Now five little dogs are here once more. Sing along with kids. Baby cow looks at the sky. Dark gray clouds are passing by. Drip drop rain begins to play. Splish splash sounds all day today. Baby cow wears boots so small, jumps in puddles one and all. Rain goes tap tap on the ground. Laughing cow makes happy sound. Umbrella up, tail goes swish. Raindrops dance and softly swish. After rain the sun peeks through. Baby cow smiles, skies turn blue. Rainy day was fun to see. Baby cow says rain loves me. Sing along with kids.
Baby cow, hello ducky friend. How's your day? Can you pretend? Baby duck, quack quack, I'm doing fine. Splashing in the pond, so shine. Baby cow, what's your favorite food today? Baby duck, little bugs and bread, hooray. Baby cow, do you like to swim or play? Baby duck, I swim all morning, splash all day. Baby cow, thank you duck for sharing fun. Now your story's told to everyone. Baby duck, quack quack, goodbye my friend. Let's meet again when day will end.
Sing along with kids. There once was a dragon with twinkling feet who danced to every drum beat's beat. He twirled through smoke, he spun through flame, and dancing soon became his fame. He tapped on stones, he jumped so high, his tail would sparkle in the sky. The castle cheered, come take a chance with the dragon who loved to dance. Sing along with kids. High above the world so wide floats a castle in the sky, made of mist and moonbeam light, shining softly through the night. Windows gleam with silver hue, stars peek in to watch the view. to the castle on the clouds, yeah. At night, under the moon so big and bright, she twirled and spun on tiny paws, with silent steps and silent claws. She flipped and flopped, she took a leap, while all the town was fast asleep. Her tail went swish, her eyes did gleam, she danced just like a sweet daydream. But when the sun began to rise, she yawned and slept with sleepy eyes. But when the sun began to rise, she yawned and slept with sleepy eyes. Sing along with kids. ABC, come sing with me. Momo's here, let's dance with glee. D, E, F, jump up high, reach for the stars in the sky. G, H, I, clap your hands, spin around in all the lands. J, K, L, stomp your feet, move to the ABC Momo beat. M and O, wiggle slow. P, Q, R, now let's go. S, T, U, laugh and play. V, W, X, Y, Z. Hey, hooray! Sing along with kids. Sleep, little fish, beneath the moon's glow, where silver tides and soft sea flower. The waves will hum you a gentle tune, while starfish twinkle beneath the lagoon. Close your eyes as the ocean sways, dream of coral castles and sunlit bays. The seahorses dance in currents so deep, while the ocean sings you a song for sleep. Drift with the current, soft and slow, through sparkling waters where moonbeams flow. Rest now, young sailor of water so wide, the sea will guard you tide after tide. Sing along with kids. Baby cow drives a car, vroom vroom, she goes so far. Hands on wheel, eyes on road, beep beep, watch the
take a bow. Stamp your hooves upon the ground. Spin around without a sound. Left step, right step, little jump and tiny hop. Wiggle ears and swish that tail. Dance until we shout, don't stop. Morning sun and grassy field. Happy cow with milk so sweet. Clap your hands and laugh out loud. Baby cow has dancing feet. Moo, 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 the music plays. Baby cow dances all the day. When the song is finally through, baby cow says moo to you. Baby cow, shake your tail and take a bow. Stamp your hooves upon the ground. Spin around without a sound. Left step, right step, little jump and tiny hop. Wiggle ears and swish that tail. Dance until we shout, don't stop. Morning sun and grassy field. Happy cow with milk so sweet. Clap your hands and laugh out loud. Baby cow has dancing feet. Moo, 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 the music plays. Baby cow dances all the day. When the song is finally through, baby cow says moo to you.
Sing along with kids. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, bass drops heavy, here we are, shining bright up in the sky. Lights flash fast as the crowd goes high. DJ spins it round and round, heartbeats match that thumping sound. Hands up high, the people roar. Twinkle vibes, we want some more. Neon lights on the disco floor. Twinkle star, you're the rock star core. Fire in the night, the beats ignite. Remix magic, we own the night. We own the night. We own the night. We own the night. Sing along with kids.
Cats like fish and milk so sweet. They curl in corners for a treat. They love to nap in sunny rays and stretch their paws on lazy days. They purr when happy, hiss when mad. They chase red dots, or what a fad. They climb up trees, but come down slow. They hide in boxes, high and low. Soft and furry, quick and sly. Cats like to watch the world go by. Soft and furry, quick and sly. Cats like to watch the world go by.
Sing along with kids. Baba, black sheep, spin around. Move to the rhythm, feel the sound. Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
That wool